The government of Uganda, through its civil aviation and infrastructure framework, has finalized plans to upgrade Gulu Airport to full international standard. Positioned as a key strategic asset in northern Uganda, the facility is designated to serve as a critical secondary gateway alongside Entebbe International Airport, boosting regional connectivity, trade, and disaster response capacity across the wider East African corridor. According to updates highlighted by the Uganda Media Center and Air Traffic Management Authorities, expanding Gulu Airport introduces a vital layer of high-value transport infrastructure to the region. The planned transformations focus on expanding runway capacity, upgrading air navigation systems, and improving passenger and cargo facilities to support direct international traffic, commercial freight, and regional tourism routes. Located strategically in the Acholi sub-region, Gulu Airport's transformation aligns with broader national efforts to decentralize economic infrastructure. Currently, Entebbe serves as the nation's primary international air hub, leaving the country vulnerable to severe economic and logistical bottlenecks in the event of operational disruptions or airspace restrictions near the capital. Establishing a fully equipped international-grade alternative in the north mitigates single-point dependency while anchoring regional security and trade logistics near the South Sudan and Democratic Republic of Congo borders. In addition to aviation safety and redundancy, the strategic overhaul aims to accelerate economic activity throughout northern Uganda. Upgraded air infrastructure is projected to lower transit times for agricultural exports, unlock direct travel pathways for international tourists visiting regional national parks, and attract private commercial investments into industrial zones across the sub-region.
We are at Gulu International Airport, second class. I call it second class because you can fly wherever you are flying from any country to this airport, as long as you give us a notification of 2 days in advance. That's what makes it second class. Gulu Airport was constructed way back as far as 1959 with a Maram runway, which was developed into this tarmac in the 70s. For the forthcoming AFCON competitions which are going to take place in East Africa, Gulu Airport is earmarked to handle some of them. So it's going to be improved into a fully-fledged international airport, handling all aircraft in first class without having to notify us in 2 days. So we are expecting it will be an international airport within this year before the year ends. But for Gulu, this is a very big investment, it's a very big opportunity, because it allows investors or tourists to have ease of movement, because serious tourists and investors normally need quick transport, and the quickest transport is air transport. Soon we shall see this airport as a fully fledged international airport within this year.
The decision to elevate Gulu Airport to international standards represents a structural shift from centralized infrastructure planning toward distributed regional growth centers. Beyond serving as a functional backup for Entebbe, the project addresses long-standing spatial-economic imbalances between central and northern Uganda. From a macro logistical standpoint, Gulu occupies an ideal geographical position to function as an inland aviation hub for cross-border commerce with South Sudan and northeastern DRC. Equipping the airport with modern air traffic management and expanded cargo handling capabilities directly lowers supply chain friction for high-value perishables, emergency humanitarian logistics, and regional services. However, The capital investment must be matched by secondary regional infrastructure to maximize returns, ensuring last-mile road connectivity, reliable power supply, and localized cold storage facilities will determine whether Gulu Airport operates as a fully integrated economic catalyst or primarily as an underutilized contingency airfield. If executed efficiently alongside regional trade policies, the upgraded airport will anchor northern Uganda as a self-sustaining commercial zone.